Hello guys, it's your guy Master Golden Julius. Welcome to my cooking class. Today I have a very big surprise for you guys. Today I'll be teaching you the secret behind every successful chef. I'll be teaching you the 4 tastes in the kitchen. Something that you will be using all the time in your kitchen without knowing that you are using it. Here we have the 4 tastes in the kitchen. We have just 4 tastes that we use in the kitchen to cook delicious food and creating our menu. So we have these 4 tastes. The 4 tastes in the kitchen. Number 1, we have the sweet in the kitchen. Wonderful. So the sweet that we use in the kitchen, then the sweet is the taste of food that we'll be using in our restaurant, at home, everywhere that we want to eat something. Sweetness, we'll be using this thing, sugar and honey. Sugar and honey are the tastes that we use in the kitchen. Secondly, we have the bitter. We also use bitter in the kitchen. What do you mean? We use bitter in the kitchen. So bitter fall under coffee and bitter melon and etc. Because we have so many things that are bitter, that many products we use in the kitchen that are bitter. So the third is salty. Salt is normal. Everybody eats something that is salty. So in the kitchen we use salt. Here we have salt. And number 4, we have sour. People that love eat salad, like vinaigrette sauce, kind of stuff like that. So use this taste that is called sour. And sour fall under vinegar, lemon, and limes. So guys, there are people that they always say we have 5 tastes in the kitchen. We don't have 5 tastes, we have just 4 tastes. And number 5 go with spicy. You cannot compare spicy and taste. This is the difference between taste and spicy, is that what we eat have this taste, and what we are eating also has to be spicy. So we join this spicy plus taste to have a fantastic dish. So guys, Master Golden Julius have decided to teach you something you will never forget, something that you will be using at home, using at your restaurant, using everywhere. If you want to do a beautiful and nice cook, you want to be a wonderful cook, you'll be using these 4 tastes. These 4 tastes will make you understand that cooking is very easy and simple. You can also create a dish using this taste. You can also cook good using this taste. You don't need to go to someone and be asking, how do you prepare this food? How is it called or something? No, you just need to eat the food and just describe the product that I've used to cook the food and tell the person the taste of it. So if you know this taste of food, any restaurant you go, just by the name of the food, you will understand the taste. If you want to eat something salty, or something sour, or something bitter, you just need to understand that the taste from what you are going to order will determine from this taste, from these 4 tastes. Now, something spicy, that is where number 5 will be coming. So, guys, this classes I'm teaching you now will make you to be a good and a fantastic chef. I promise you this, because from this class I'll be teaching you the difference between salty, bitter, and sweet and sour. Their product, how it goes, and how they use them. How to make a vinegar sauce that will be using sour and sweet. I will also be teaching you how to use the bitter and sweet to have a great meal with this bitter and sweet. Now, salty, I'll be teaching you what kind of product you get from the supermarket to get this sour, how to make sours. There are a lot of pizza that you eat that are bitter. Pizza that you eat that are bitter. You go to the coffee side, you drink coffee that is very bitter. So here also, you also have this sweet. You go to a snack, you also take something like a cake, ice cream, all of those things, etc. to have this taste sweet. You also have all of this taste with their product and their ingredients, how to provide a great meal. So guys, today will be the end of our lecture. Tomorrow I will bring to you any other thing that you will need to cook. a delicious meal using this 4 space. So anything that you do not understand, just go in the comment section and just ask a question there. I will give you the full details of what you want to know about cooking. It's your guy, Master Golden Genius, one love guy.